So back at it with the sound system, because previously put in some speakers in the back, and well, the factory ones from Nissan, because I guess they're supposed to be amplified, they didn't work. Tried a whole bunch of different speakers and only the non-amplified ones work, which then I read apparently there's an issue with the driver or amplifier. I did check the amplifier, I did check the sub, and the fact of 4 speakers, amplifier, 2 amplifiers, and 2 subs not working. Yeah, so apparently this is a common issue, and the fix is either send this out to get fixed or upgrade to a better radio, and that's what we're gonna do. So I've already went ahead and got started. All this stuff just pops out. This pops out, this pops out, and we're just using pry tools. And we're gonna pop this out, and we've popped this out, and the reason why is because, well, we gotta run the microphone because we're gonna have the Bluetooth speaker thing, so we have to figure out how to wire it through here and come out through here and, you know, have it right up here, because I don't like it over here and I want my wires to be hidden. So let's start with the radio first. So that can stay up there. We don't really need that. Pops out 2, and I forgot, I think there's like 2 more right over here. A lot of things that pop out, and the cool thing is, unlike Chrysler, these things don't break as easily. Is there another one? Oh, there's 2 more down here. Missed that. Something stuck. There we go. Alright. We don't have to go too crazy, so we just need to unplug these in the back. There should be 2 connectors, and of course they don't come out easy. Three connectors. All right, antenna, maybe, done. So now I gotta go get me some Torx because, well, that's the thing. They really don't want you to steal the radio. So before I dive into that, I need to run the speaker wire. So this just pops off. This car's got the tweeter, which is nice. And I think I can run the wire, grab it through in there, and then I should be able to possibly feed it through there, maybe. Yeah, I should be able to feed it through there. Yeah, you kind of see. So let's do that. Let's try to feed it through there and hopefully grab it. We gotta take out the cluster, we gotta take it out, but maybe we could just, you probably can't see anything, but I am so close to grabbing it. There we go. All right. just kind of find a spot through here. Sweet. Maybe not sweet. Should have ran it behind that. But we're in the right direction, folks. We are. That's good. Because now what we could do is tuck it down this way, just like so. Bingo. And now our cable is going to go up through like here. So my plan is to just feed it like this. Yeah, that'll work. So now I'm just tucking this wire. This should tuck in right there. Perfect. So did a bunch of work off camera, and well, the radio's on. Just kind of mounts like that. Probably should be reading the instructions, but I think I'll be fine. But 2 screws here, 2 screws there. Took the Torx out of the other one. And now, the wiring harness. The cool thing about Crutchfield is if you spend the extra money, they make it all nice and fancy for you. And that's convenient. And I didn't feel like splicing. Although easy, I just want to get it done. So let's plug all this in. So now, I think this one goes in here. Maybe. Or maybe it goes in here. Nope, definitely goes in here. Nope, probably goes in here. Yep, just gotta find the right way. And we gotta find a ground, which I'll have to think about that one. I might have to use a self-tapper maybe over here. Yeah, I might do that. Just try to use a self-tapper, and that should work, because we gotta ground this joker out. So the solution, this right over here, this screw, there's metal behind it. So when we screw it in, it'll make contact, should be good. And I think that'll be fine. And let's go ahead and get our connectors in. Maybe. What in the world? I'm having trouble with, I'm just having the trouble of my life today. Alright, I'm used to hearing a little snap, but I mean, that's fine. Let's plug this in for the microphone. Now this is the fun part. I probably need to get this thing in position. Plug that in for the antenna. Plug this in for the microphone. And just kind of let it feed its way through. Down on the bottom. There we go. There we go. And before I forget, let's go ahead and screw that ground in. And let's make sure this thing works. Two-way X-over. Press volume knob to confirm. All right, it works. Let me put it back together, then I'll try it out, just to kind of, you know, avoid the whole copyright thing. Well, that was pretty easy. Just popped everything in, and then this piece and this piece is what actually holds that in, just kind of like the way the radio works, but it just holds that plastic piece in. Sounds a lot better. So now, as far as the factory amplified speakers in the back, they still don't work, but the amplifier works, and the Mickey Mouse speakers I had in the back, they're now booming. So I don't know, those speakers might be bad. I'm not gonna mess with them. I'll probably just get another set of speakers that are slightly better than the back, but the system sounds good as it is, so I might not even mess with it. But regardless, this car needed a radio. Sounds way better. Got the Bluetooth. This was really easy, and that's the way to do it. I mean, folks, if you're gonna do this, just run everything through here, through there. It's out of the way, and it actually sounds a lot better when you're on calls. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see what else I do to this car.